I always wanted to go to the north. It was the idea of north that drew me. Northerners all remember the story of the first time they saw a tree. Many conversations about the South resulted in the telling of this story. As a result, all wood in the North is originally from the South. I was told in the past the Inuit would use driftwood for fire or to build a floor in a sod house. Today, lumber is shipped up to the North by a boat, making the signature wooden housing of Baffin Island some of the most expensive in Canada. A fire is a real treat. Japity built us a fire using old shipping pallets. Isabel tells us that the Inuit liken scientific researchers to the brown squirrel. They are visible only in the summer, running around and doing lots of things, suddenly disappearing with no understanding of what they've been up to. He asks us to be kind to our elders in the South. Mikikak, Nanuk, Nikku, Palaugak, Mikikak, Mikikak. Tommy and I took a long walk down the road to nowhere. We learned the word tayagut for worms infesting caribou nostrils. For me, being in the North exposed myself to my position as a colonizer in the Canadian landscape. A colonizer in the scientific sense, always applying a reductionist research method towards categorizing and controlling my experiences of the natural world. A colonizer in the consumer sense, encouraging the transformation of the natural world into consumer goods through my desire and exchange value in both the North and the South. A colonizer in the cultural sense, an active and loyal participant in Canada, as a student or adventure tourist in Pangnirtung, Nunavut. Inuusiq suunyunya, Inuusiq suunyunya, Inuusiq suunyunya, Namimiutavit, 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 Nuriyunga. Seal skins, dried whale blubber laying on the rocks, skin flakes in the wind, duck feet beside lunch. Bodies are everywhere. A local elder tells us about his past, hunting and fishing on the land. Today, he tells us he orders his caribou on Facebook. Bears are very smart. They can swim in the water. They plan ahead like people do. Sometimes on land, they cover themselves with mud to camouflage. This time of year, we are not able to hunt polar bears. They are on the land and at the shore. Keep an eye out for them. Let people know if you're going hiking. If a polar bear approaches us while we are camping, we are allowed to hunt it. Joanasie says he sort of hopes that a polar bear comes so that they can hunt it. We all laugh. Coffee to humavit. Coffee to humavit. Coffee to humavit. Coffee to humavit. Palaugag. Palaugag. Palauga te humaniona, palauga te lumenhama, palauga te humayunga, te lumayunga, palauga te rumayunga, palauga te rumayunga. The low tide area is a great place to poop. I am experiencing a loss of discrete boundaries between the toilet and the kitchen, between bodies and parts of bodies, between day and night. We are experiencing groupthink and an immediacy around our needs, specifically the constant desire to eat now. If I see someone chewing, I run towards them. Marcus, another Southerner, who has dedicated his life to the North, working as a population health coordinator, can see the conflicted faces of the Pangnirtung summer school participants. We are not sure if we belong here, if our being here is in fact a little bit worse than not being here. He says, like the geese come every spring, so come the students. We expect you, we look forward to you, we prepare for you. You are an important part of this community. This settles some internal questions momentarily. Though the following December I am visiting with Peter in Winnipeg, I hear that the Pangnirtung Summer School will not go north this summer, instead every other year. I wonder if the community will miss the geese this year. Are they preparing for us? Are they looking forward to us? Are we a part of their community or just their economy?